Oligonucleotides are short strands of synthetic DNA or RNA that have huge promise as a next-generation drug modality. They work by altering how genes are expressed to affect RNA or proteins of interest in disease mechanisms, and could treat rare, chronic and life-threatening diseases like Alzheimer's, heart disease and Huntington's, which can't currently be treated by conventional drug approaches. However, current oligonucleotide manufacturing technologies are not sustainable, efficient or cost-effective, which is a problem for enabling large populations to be treated. We're collaborating with partners across the innovation ecosystem to advance and apply new technologies that will transform the oligonucleotide manufacturing process. By catalysing the development of cost-effective, sustainable and scalable manufacturing processes that can be applied to a range of novel oligonucleotide-based medicines, we can deliver tomorrow's therapeutics to benefit many more people. Join us at the CPI-led Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre to help manufacture the incredible. Let's innovate together.